In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about more HTML elements. Beside head, you are going to write CSS also, and you are going to write JavaScript also. So this is the use of head tag. Use of title tag is to put the title to your web page. Then body tag. Body tag is this is the whole body of your web page. This is a white background in which all the informations are displayed in the form of text and videos and audios. Okay. So and at this moment just we have written one of the text. This is the body. Put whatever you write inside the body. So the contents are displayed as it is in your body. So whenever you want to write some element, so element there is some syntax needs to be followed. So syntax how to write the element. So suppose you want to add element, so you must start with less than, then name of element name. The element name should not contain blank space. Okay, so that's why here I am giving underscore. This is the name of element like body, head, title. Okay, these are the name of element, followed by space, then attribute name. Attribute name also doesn't allow the blank space. Okay, so here followed by this equal to symbol and followed by double quotation. Here you have to write attribute value. Then we close the bracket. Then how to close the bracket? With the help of greater than symbol. So this is the one part. Now here we put the content. So here we write content. Then we close the element with the help of slash. Element name. The same element name here you have to write. Okay, whatever element name you have written, the same element name you have to use while closing the element. So this is the syntax. Now for better understanding, I will write like this: content. This is the content, and here we close the element. So this is the starting of element. Then the starting of element also may contain attribute. Attributes are optional. Okay, you can also you can also have the element without attribute. In this example, okay, this is the body is the element name, and BG color is the attribute name, red is the attribute value. This is the body is the content. Okay, this is content we have written, this content, and this is the closing tag, opening of body tag, closing of body tag. So same thing is here, opening of element name, opening of element, closing of element. So this is the syntax. Now let us discuss few more things about this. Elements and attributes. Elements and attributes are not case sensitive. Elements and attributes are not case sensitive. Means the element and attribute name can be written either uppercase or lowercase. Both are same. There is no any difference between uppercase element name or attribute name or lowercase element name or attribute name. Element name means this is the element name, but attribute, when you say attribute, so attribute also contain name as well as value. So both name as well as value are case insensitive. Okay, not case sensitive. Then second point is elements and attribute are predefined. Okay, elements and attributes are predefined. Predefined means it is already defined, means the name body is defined. For example, the head is defined. Okay, title name or attribute is defined. BG color is predefined. This name is already there. You cannot use some another name which is there. Okay, it is there in the HTML language, so you have to use. It is predefined. Then next is there are two types of element you can say. One is container element. Container element means here you can see some elements are here like title. Title is the container element. This is the content. Okay, body is also container element. Means some contents are there between opening and closing the element. Some contents are there, so those kind of elements are called as container element. And some elements are empty elements. Empty elements, the example of empty element here you can first we write the example of container element. Container elements are title. I can also write in a small letter title, then body. Okay, these are the example of container element, etc. Then empty element. Few elements are empty element like br, hr. So empty element does not have their opening and closing. Okay, only single time, one time you have to use. There is no any content in empty element. Now next point, what is the use of attribute? So what is attribute? Attributes provide additional information. Element also provides some information, like here in this example, title is the element which provides some information, means it is a title. Okay, it is a title of the web page. Here body provides the information, like this is the body. But if you want some more, if you want to add some more uh, information, like more features, like color, if you want to change the color of body, okay, if you want to make some another things, another more things you want to add, okay, more features you want to add with your element. So these attributes use additional information, additional things with the element. So this is the use of attribute. So now we will discuss about the programmatically thing, that means more elements. How to write comment. So comment is also most important part. Comment are not does not translate it. That means suppose in your program you have written somewhere, you have written comments. So your program get interpreted, means your programs whatever code you have written, so that will get interpreted by the interpreter, but comment will not get interpreted. So what is the use of comment? So comment is just for the programmer purpose. Means you are a programmer, you want to write something about some elements or some method or some variables. You want to describe. Suppose you want to write that this program is made by this person, and this program is written on so date or time. So that this information you want to put. So that for that purpose you can put the comment line. So here I will write a comment line. So in HTML, how to write comment line? So first start with the less than, okay, then exclamation symbol, dash dash. Okay, this is the starting thing. Now here you can add so many things. So line, number of lines here you can add. Then if you want to finish the comment, so just put dash dash and get a line. So whatever I will write between these two things, these two delimiter, so that will not get interpreted. That is only for program. So here I'm going to add some heading. So now we will discuss the next element, which is HTML heading. Next topic. So here I am writing the name of topic, HTML heading. How to put heading? So first of all, let us run this program. In this program, I have just used one title. This is the title, and I am using a body. I have created one body, and in body I have written this is the body. So let us run this program. Okay, program is saved. Now how to run this program? Here this file is created with .html extension. Now how to execute this file? Just click top on the file name, right click. Okay, right click on the file name, and just open this file. Just open this file. Open with. Okay, click on open with, and select any browser, whichever you want, whether Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, whatever you want, you can choose. So here I prefer Google Chrome. Okay, but if you want to display the program in another browser, so you can do that also. So Google Chrome already I have open, so the program output will be displayed in the next tab. I will close the previous tab. So the title bar, you can see the title is coming. This is the title, and this is the body section. It is showing that this is the body. Now suppose you want to put one heading here at the center. You want to put heading. So how to put heading? For that we have another tag. Okay, the tag name is between less than greater than. You have to write the tag name is h1. H you can also write in capital or small. So there are actually 6 types of heading: h1, h2, okay, h3. Suppose you want to create heading, and inside heading there is a subheading, then again subheading, so on. Okay, there are 6 type of subheading you can give: h4 and h5 and h6. So there is a difference of size. Okay, which one is largest? So h1 is the largest heading. I want to add the heading in my web page. So the h1 tag will be used inside body tag. So inside body tag, I will write h1. So whatever heading you want to put, so that you can give. Now that must be closed. h1 needs to be closed. This is also h1 to h6. These tags are also the container tag. So this is the first heading. So now I save this program. Now whenever you write, you put h1 tag. So this heading is automatically, this is formatted. That formatted is already there. So let us see how the heading will be displayed. So just I will refresh this. I will not do anything. Okay, I will not again open the file in browser. It is already there. Just I refresh. So here heading 1 heading is displayed. 4, then 5, 6, and here also 5 and 6. All the headings, all the tags I am using here. So all you can see, all the headings are displayed in next line. Okay, so whenever you use h1 to h6, any tag you are using, so always the lines will be changed. There is a different line. Okay, all the headings will not display in the same line. Lines are also changing, and you can see each headings are in bold. Okay, and sizes are already defined. These size of headings are already defined. So these 6 types of heading you can use in your web page. Now if you want to display the heading at center, okay, so for that there is one attribute you can use with heading, which is align, double quote, center. Align center you can use. So your refresh this. So your heading is aligned at to center. So the heading is over. Now the next topic is how to put paragraph. So to create a paragraph, we have p tag. Tag name is p. So let us create one paragraph. So instead of writing text like this, I will include this text inside the p tag. Here I will put this inside paragraph. I need to write something. So here I will write this is text. This is the text. So many lines. Suppose I have written inside the paragraph. Now here I close the paragraph. Okay. Okay. So this is the paragraph. You can see the paragraph is displayed. So you can create many paragraph you want. This is first paragraph, 2 paragraph, 3 paragraph. Okay, so there are 3 paragraphs I have created. So like this you can create paragraph. Clear? So paragraph is over. Now important thing with paragraph is paragraphs are also displayed in separate line when here p tag is closed. So if you start new p tag here, the new paragraph will be displayed, and you can see there is a gap between 2 paragraphs. It is already set. Okay, this is predefined. Now let us discuss next element, horizontal line. Next tag, directly I am writing the tag name, which is HR. So HR tag is used to create, display horizontal line. Horizontal line. Suppose you want to display horizontal line in your web page, so you can use HR tag. So here I am using HR tag between 2 paragraphs after the heading. Okay. Suppose after the heading I want to display a line. So here I will use HR tag. So let us see how the output will come. Okay, so below the heading you can see one line is displayed. So this is the way you can display the line. The HR tag is not a container tag, so it does not contain any opening and closing. Okay, tag. Now suppose you want to increase the size of line. Okay, the line size is by default. This is the line, or you can say width of line. Okay, suppose you want to increase the width of line, you can add more attribute with the HR. So the attribute is size. So 20. If suppose I write 20, size is 20 means the width of line is 20 pixel. Okay, this size is in terms of pixel. So let us see. Here you can see size of line is increased. Okay, this is the width of line is increased. Now let us fill some color in this line so that the line will be more clear. So here one attribute you can use, which the name of attribute is, and the name of attribute is style. So style is the common attribute. So style attribute can be used with any tag. So here I am using style. Any style you can use. Here suppose I want to change the background color. So here I will write background dash color. So many types of style like background color or text color, font size. There are so many types of style. So inside style attribute, again you have to write one more attribute, which is background color, followed by colon, then blue, and then semicolon. So this is the syntax. Suppose you want to put the value of attribute. So value of attribute nothing but the again one attribute name, which is background color, and then the color name is blue. So let us see. You can see the line is showing the height of line is 20 pixel and the background color is blue. So next topic is working with text. Working with text. So to work with text means whatever text here you are written inside the paragraph, these are called as text. So when you want to format your text, like some text you want to make it bold or some italic, underline, superscript, subscript, highlighted, okay, bigger text, smaller text. Okay, so this kind of formatting you can do with the help of HTML. That we are going to see how to format the text. So inside this topic there are many elements which we are going to discuss. So first one is B. Okay, so this three tags we are going to discuss initially. One is B. B is for to make the text bold. Okay. I is to make the text italic. U is used to make the text as underline. So let us use that things. So here I will delete this, and I will keep only one paragraph. So this is a paragraph, and suppose you want to make some text bold. Suppose this line you want to make bold. So what you can do? You just put B tag here. B start with B and end B. Okay. This particular sentence will become bold. So I will go to there. So here you can see this particular sentence statement will become bold. We'll make it bigger little bit, 200%. Okay. So now is it clear? Okay. So B, this is the use of B tag, and then italic. Here I am going to use the I tag for this particular sentence. Okay. So for this particular sentence, I want to make it italic, and this particular sentence I want to make it underline. So here I will use U. So all these three tags are container tag. So you must use the starting element and closing element. So let us run this. So this has become underline. Now this is here you can see. This is italic. This is bold. This is the use of these three tags. Then next one is small tag. What is the use of small tag? Small tag used to make the text small. So here I will make this particular line small. So here I will use small. Dash. So here you can see the second line, second sentence is little bit smaller. Here one more thing, you can also use one element inside another element. For example, in this paragraph here, this is the underline text. Okay, so suppose this text you want to make it bold. So inside U, here you can also use B element like this. Okay, so underline is also there. I will refresh this. Underline is also there and bold is also there. First I have started U tag, then inside that I started B. So then next element is two elements we are going to discuss, which is sub and sup. SUB and SUP. SUB stands for subscripted text. So here I am writing SUB means, and sup stands for superscript. Okay, this is subscript and this is superscript. Subscript means the some small number is written here, x2 and here this is x square. So 2 is in subscript, here 2 is in superscript. So that kind of text can also be written. So for this I will make some changes here. Okay, instead of creating paragraph, here I will put, I want to write some formula like H2O. Suppose you want to write H2O. So how to write H2O? H, then 2 I want to write as a subscript. So here I will use sub, then 2. Okay, using the sub tag, then O, H2O I want to write like this. So 2 will become the subscripted text. So let us refresh this page, H2O. Okay, so 2 has become subscripted text. Similarly, superscripted you want to write the next line. Okay, suppose I want to write x square plus y square. Okay, x square plus y square. So first I write x. Now how to put square? So for that I will use this superscripted. Here you can see x square means superscript. So I will use SUP. So here I will use SUP tag. SUP. Then square I want to write. So 2 here I will write. Then slash SUP. So 2 will become superscripted text plus y square. So here plus I will do. And for y square the same things I can copy here with y. Here I want to add some gap also. So here you can see first it will display H2O superscripted text, then it will display subscripted text. Now one question I want to ask, that both the statement I have written in different line. So in a web page, the output will also displayed in different line, or is in the same line. By default, here if suppose I press enter key at the end of first line, so that enter key will not be interpreted by the browser. So here you can see it is displayed in the same line. Now how to break the line? Suppose I want to put the break tag here, break statement here. So the tag is br. Okay, br is also a tag. So this tag is also, br tag is also a empty tag. So this tag is used, br tag is used to break a line. Okay, in the slide also we have discussed there are two tags. These tags are called as empty tag, br and hr. Okay, br is used to break the line and hr is to display the horizontal line. Both the tags are empty elements. Now we save this file again and execute the file, the web page. So it will break the line and both the statement will display like this. This element is strong. OND, strong. So strong element is used to make strong is just like a bold. Okay, you want to make some element bold, so you can use strong. For example, suppose here if I write HTML is a markup language. So suppose I want to make strong markup language. Markup language I want to make strong. So here I will use the strong element, starting of strong and closing of strong. So the program, refresh it. So it will become bold. So I will end the today's lecture.